All right, I'm back, and I have Henry glued into my sketchbook. Here's my little guy, ready to be gridded. So the way that we're gonna lay a grid on top is by using a ruler and a pen or a pencil or a Sharpie. If you're confident in your ability to do this, you can use a pen or a Sharpie. If you feel like you might make a mistake, then I would start off with a pencil. So you're gonna lay the ruler on your portrait, and the ruler has this little space. It's kind of hard to focus on in here, but the 0 line is a little bit spaced out from the edge of the ruler. So you're not going to lay your edge of the ruler against the end of your picture. You want that 0 line to end up on the edge of your ruler. And you're going to make a mark at every inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6-inch picture, so you're going to have 5 lines. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing at the bottom of my picture. Again, lining up that 0 line. I can make those lines right on my picture. I'm going to draw right on top of it. And then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to make 2 connections, 1 line at the top, 1 line at the bottom. I'm just going to draw a line down the middle and connect them. So it's a black and white picture. Might be a little challenging to see, but I'm going to have these nice even lines. Okay, so I have 5 lines going across, meaning 6-inch spaces. I'm going to do the same thing going the opposite direction on Henry's picture. So instead of having 5 lines across, I'm going to have 8. So again, every inch. And I don't need a mark at the end of the picture here. And I'll do the same thing at the bottom. It's really important that you make both sets of lines at the top and the bottom, because if you don't have both sets of lines, instead of making sure your ruler stays parallel across the picture, like it does right here, your ruler could shift a little bit and you could have a line that's wider on one end and smaller on the other, and that won't be very good when you're trying to redraw this on the bigger piece of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and then I'll show you how to set up the large piece of paper.